Wonderful good day to the mining news on Commodity TV, ladies and gentlemen. The commodity markets are keeping us on our toes, and gold, silver and copper are at record highs. In our opinion, this will continue and we will see significantly higher prices for the metals in the near future. It is fitting that Fury Gold Mines announced an updated mineral resource estimate for the high-grade Eau Claire deposit and an initial mineral resource estimate for the Percival deposit in the Ayo-Istichi territory in the James Bay region of Quebec. The Eau Claire project now contains a combined mineral resource of 1.16 million ounces of gold, grading 5.64 grams gold per ton in the measured and indicated categories, and an additional 723,000 ounces gold, grading 4.13 grams gold per ton in the inferred category. Gold mineralization at both the Eau Claire and Percival deposits can be expanded in all directions with additional drilling. This has added 307,000 ounces gold in the measured and indicated category, an increase of 36%, and 223,000 ounces gold in the inferred category, which is an increase of 44.6%. The geometry of the Eau Claire vein has steepened in areas with new data and interpretations. Percival is one of more than 15 anomalies along the Percival serendipity trend. The whole is surrounded by excellent infrastructure, including hydroelectric power and roads. And there is great discovery potential on the broader property, which includes a 30-kilometer section of the Canard Deformation Zone. 50 kilometers to the north, 100% of the Eleanor South property was acquired, which is strategically located near Newmont's operating Eleanor mine, one of the best producing gold mines in Canada. In the coming weeks, the company plans to announce the results of the Spring 2024 program at Eleanor South, as well as another planned exploration program for 2024. Fury looks very good and has found the bottom and is getting ready for an upward reversal formation. This should then lead to around $1.25 and then on towards $2.5 Canadian dollars. Gold Royalty was again able to impress with good figures. A record quarterly turnover of $2.9 million and record total revenues, proceeds from land agreements and interest of $4.2 million with 2019 GEOs, gold equivalent ounces, were reported. This represents a 112% increase over the same period in 2023. The record quarterly revenue was driven by the first full quarter of revenue from the recently acquired interest in Borborema project, royalty payments under the recently acquired Cozamin royalty interest, as well as higher Canadian malartic revenue and land agreement revenues. The first quarter of 2024 generated positive cash flow from operations of $300,000, which did not include an additional $1.1 million in proceeds from land agreements credited to mineral properties. Good cost management resulted in a further 10% reduction in cash operating costs of $2.3 million. There was also continued progress on key development stage assets, including the first gold pour at the Côté gold mine, the underground shaft and ramp development at the Odyssey mine, which are ahead of schedule, and the construction of the Borborema project, which is expected to be in production early 2025. The royalty generator model continues to generate positive results with a new royalty added in the 3 months to 31st March 2024. Since the acquisition of Ely Gold Royalties in 2021, this model has generated 40 royalties. There are currently 31 properties subject to land contracts and 6 properties that are leased and generate revenue from land contracts. The model continues to generate low operating costs with just $20,000 spent on maintenance of the mineral interest in the first quarter this year. The outlook also looks encouraging. The company remains on track to meet its previously announced guidance of approximately 5,000 to 5,600 GEOs in 2024, which equates to approximately $10 to $11.2 million in total revenue, land contract revenue and interest at a gold price of $2,000 per ounce. This would mean an average increase in GEOs of around 100% compared to 2023. The cost side also remains under control. The point-and-figure chart has initiated an upward reversal formation that should run to around $3. After that, around $4.5 to $5 could be possible. H.C. Wainwright has a price target of $5.75, which we see long-term too. You can also find all information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything about commodities. We look forward to your like and, more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channel. Please note the disclaimer. The shares discussed are part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder in the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.